Daddy Planet Jade, sorry.
Don't lose it.
Oh, you guys stop.
Daddy.
You guys stop. Ready?
You're a cheater.
No cheating. Okay, no cheating. Oh. Ouch! Get away from me! Get away
Oh,
from me!
oh, no, 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 not on the feet. Jelana, don't.
Don't.
Shh, don't. Did she get it? Jelana, don't, please. We don't want Daddy to the hospital.
Don't hit it! Don't hit it like that.
That's because I don't want the ball. Like, you're targeting me.
You lose. I'll target Jelana. Jelana. No. Come on. Jay? Yes! We're not going to play hot potato.
Hot potato.
Upong maayos, Jelana. Upong maayos.
Okay, ready? Open your eyes. You want to do it? Let's play Jay.
Well, Jade and Daddy want to play the...
No, we don't want to play that either. Ready?
Dad.
Oh, careful. Oh,
Bro, you could give me a heads up at first.
give your heads up. Ready?
Jelana's such a cheater.
Little cheater.
What's that about?
That was that.
No.
Yes, you tossed it to me right when I went out.
You did?
Yar.
What's that all about?
Jelana, you're like the... I'm not about to get that, bro. That's because you're the one who threw it at me.
Where's that?
It's over there.
I can't get
Side.
it. Jelana. You trying to Jay? Watch it.
I'm gonna throw away at you, bro.
On the top of your day.
How mad would you be? Right?
She's gonna sleep with me. She's like that behavior. You're not gonna sleep with Daddy.
I conducted a climate survey.
What's the climate survey?
It's like if you like ask you questions about if you feel safe at school, or if you like feel comfortable, and then it's like about yourself and how
Did
you
you
feel
did
at
you feel
home.
good?
Uh,
No.
You don't feel safe at school?
Do you feel safe at home?
it's in the middle. Yar.
Is it in the middle?
Yar.
Oh, really? You're not...
Why is that?
What because mom and dad argues all the time?
Huh?
Because you two argue all the time.
So that means you feel safe?
No. You
So-
also yell a lot.
Who?
You.
So is that you feel safe?
No.
Oh, wow.
I'm just saying.
Are you ready?
All the time?
Not all the time,
Oh, see? So clear it.
but still sometimes.
Well, that's normal. But you guys, you and Julene, you're screaming all the time.
There you go.
Oh.
Jay, hit.
You and Julene screaming all the time, Jade.
I'm here.
So, what's that
That
mean?
doesn't matter.
Oh, no. It matters. You cannot look at... Jade, you cannot look at others and yourself is exemption. That's not fair.
Ready? Are you ready? Ready, Jelana? Ready?